In the last video, we have learned how to update data. In this video, we will learn how to delete data. First of all, we need confirmation from user because he can click accidentally. Let's write return confirm the message. Are you sure to delete? Or whatever you want to show your message. Okay, let's check. Okay, it's working. Let's create the file delete.php. PHP tag. First check get action and action is equal to delete. And now we need ID because we will delete our data according to ID. If all this check is passed, let's get the ID first, because on base of this ID we need to run SQL query. Now write a function name and pass the ID. And finally the successful message. If our data deletes successfully. Now let's move to create our function. Get the ID. Same way, global WPDB. Next, table name. Let's get it from database. File. WPDB. We are using here WordPress delete method. This is built-in method. Table name and the ID. Okay, we are almost done. Let's check into WordPress dashboard. Try to delete this one. Okay, let's see our code is working. Try to check to create another one and delete again. Submit. Data created and try to delete. Let's check into database. This is our data. Now check again database as well. Okay, it's gone. So we successfully created our delete function, and this is our plugin. We have done everything successfully. We have learned how to create plugin, how and all the CRUD operation. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and motivate me to